Yo, Skipper, let me tell something to you, dog. Bambakla binds. Let me say something to you, dog. Come react to your song, them, bro. And me know say there's no cap in your rap. Hear me, I say. Yo, beg your thing, no?
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Pick up myself, bro. There with Skipper, no problem. Yeah? Skipper, no problem. So let's jump in that one here and see what the G have to say, you know? Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Solitary. Big up.
You go.
Yo, production team. I'm not founded upon our production, man. Solitary. Music. Bridge together. You go boss music. Go get her. Benji. Pick up on yourself. Yeah, man.
Mad boy.
Pastor, big foreign. Buckler, don't know. Give the homeless something. Yeah, left a thing with the homeless machine.
Tell her I can't feel no pain. Give me the money and take the fame. Cause these
Sorry. I shouldn't say homeless because I don't know if this person is homeless. Let's say less fortunate. Or the elder. Left a thing with the elder. Yeah, that sounds better. Yeah. You cannot say people homeless. You don't know, man. You don't know. Yeah. You can't do that.
Mad boy. Is there another way? Yeah, and tell her I can't feel no pain. Give me the money and take the fame. Cause these shows don't feel the same. Yeah. And tell her I can't feel no pain. Give me the money and take the and tell her I can't feel no pain. Give me the money and take the fame. Yeah. Big me, shaman off a post. The amount of money my waistband close. Push it.
Big me, shaman off a post. The amount of money when off a boss. The amount of money when waistband close. Dream X production.
Yeah. Big me, shaman off a post. The amount of money my waistband close.
How much for this? 5,596. Yeah, cash the man getting now. Cash. Yeah, 5,600 basket in a cash. I'm gonna give him back $3. I'm gonna try to keep it $3. What the fuck can I give him back $3 for? Man, I want it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
big
go.
Me shaman off a post.
Yeah.
The amount of money my waistband close. Bushy crown face big like Andrew knows the type of money.
Big nose, Andrew, you get one in your face. Binds! Andrew, all I want the fear.
Me shaman off a post.
Yeah.
The amount of money my waistband close. Bushy crown face big like Andrew knows the type of money.
We can't pass that yet, Andrew. Andrew, man, see in a trouble. Binds!
The amount of money my waistband close. Bushy crown face big like Andrew knows the type of money me I make this can go pose.
And when him say Andrew, you know, there's thousands of Andrew in the world. But we all know which Andrew was big, like extra big. Sweet Pepper. Yeah. We know say you Andrew onless. Sweet Pepper. Binds.
Bushy crown face big like Andrew knows the type of money me I make this can go pose. I crown be my Benz and me rising coast. Yeah. So me no know how to some man, yeah.
The man said the amount of money me I make that this guy post, brother. This can't post, dog. Like, it make no sense to try that.
I can't be my Benz and me rising coast. Yeah. So me no know how to some man, yeah. If you call Bob name when you talk about scam. My idol, me start sing song. Shit like a rifle, just a breeze like fun.
I want to some man. You have to call Bob name when you talk about scam. My idol, me go start sing song, brother. Me not nothing to do, brother. I'm just there bored. Me shout already, me not nothing else to do. Well, let me just dabble in the music business, see what the fuck is going on over there. Like, I don't know, I don't mind.
You know the type of money me I make this can go pose. I can't be my Benz and me rising coast.
Can I just say this also? There's plenty of artists that sing chopper song. But when the man sing chopper song, me actually believe, brother. Me believe everything what the man is saying on the song, bro. I that the back. Cause the boss constantly tell us, listen, we not have to do this, brother. We don't have to do the music thing, brother. We done been rich, dog.
Money me I make this can go pose.
We done been rich.
My Benz and me rising coast. Yeah. So me no know how to some man. Yeah, if you call Bob name when you talk about scam. My idol, high girl, me start sing song. Chip like a rifle, just a breeze like fun.
Chip Glock and rifle just a breeze like fun. Bro, and me know say there's no cap in your rap. Hear me I say. Yo, beg your thing, no? Yeah, man. That's a good thing, man. Not for load you up, you know? Not for tell nobody how much me get, brother. You see me? Yeah, man. I got send you a cash up on your dust, you know? Yeah, man. Let's do your thing, man. Yeah, me short, brother.
You know the type of money me I make.
I'm not joke neither, you know? Me I beg your thing, bro. Yeah, my fam. Me I beg your thing, my bro. Yeah, me G. No matter how small it is, me I beg your thing. Me not joke, brother. Cause me know, G, me know you watch your reaction, them, bro. So hear me I say, beg your thing, bro. You see me? Shot me a DM pa IG, bro. Yeah, man. Jamaica _words _game, man, bro. You see me? Yeah, shot me a DM, bro. I just ask for details, bro. PayPal, cash up, you know, you name it, dog. You know? Yeah.
This Django pose, I can't be my Benz and me rising pose.
Them say if you're not ask, you won't get. Some me ask, did G me short? Did G just spend 5,600 pound this, brother? Come on.
Pose. The amount of money me waist pan clothes. Push it crown face big like Andrew knows. The type of money me I make this Django pose. I can't be my Benz and me rising pose. So me no know I do something, man. Yeah, if you call Bob name when you talk about scam. My high girl, me start sing song. Chip like a rifle, just a breeze like fun. Done and dark, yeah, we love it madness. Now if you talk one daddy badness, just checking out.
Now if you talk one daddy badness. One daddy. Let's go. I'm not getting involved in that. I'm not getting involved in no one daddy badness, nothing big up on itself. Who I get involved, I'm not getting involved. Let's go.
We love it madness. Now if you talk one daddy badness, just checking out, can't drop body pan fridge. Boy, same run town, first me I hear this.
Boy, stop it capping, bro. You have to be a run town. Which town? You have to run around the town. Idiot. Stop it cap. Yeah.
Stop checking out, can't drop body pan fridge. Boy, same run town, first me I hear this. I am dark and don't see me evil every fucking new year. Me not different vehicle.
Wanna see that Porsche with my while ago? Look, the bar just sweeping foot underneath it. Boom.
Every fucking new year, me not different vehicle. Amount of money pan the line, me can't cuss with people. Don't waste my time, me don't get my beating.
Me don't waste my time, me don't get my beating. So the amount of money dip on the line right now, I would be stupid to be here sitting down wasting time with you frivolous, with you peasants for frivolous banter. Skippa, beg your thing, bro.
On the line, me can't cuss with people. Don't waste my time, me don't get my beating.
What the difference between me and you? Me not wear a man keep on my part. This is my key. And guess what? Me not wear it pan. Me not wear no man keep on my pants loop. This is my bunch of key. This is my car key. Me not wear it pan a bunch. Me not wear no man keep on my pants loop, brother. No, my thing. Me not wear that. My thing. Yeah. Skip a bigger thing, bro.
The difference with me and you. Me now wear a man keep on my pants loop. Me never top press line till me buy one coke. Call off to check FaceTime so the payment smooth. Yeah, boy I sing about chopping, bro. Tell them stop. Bang a down shot video with prop. Make sure you
bang a down shot video with prop. Everything in the video real pussy. The money, the guns, the cars, the girls, everything real. No, well, some of the girl them breast them the fake. Body fake, yeah, but you know what I say.
About chopping, bro, tell them stop. Bang a down shot video with prop. Make sure you a learner, you listen from top. Boy, act where you earn, me no care if you chop.
Yeah, man, act where you earn, man. Act where you earn, brother. Me no care if you chop, brother. If you draw down a little bit of money, act little bit, brother. Don't act enough. Don't act enough, brother. Yeah.
Sure you a learner, you listen from top. Boy, act where you earn, me no care if you chop. I me no care if you look up in need of drop music, but me no really watch the feedback. See a bag of little man a run around pan media. Me a God and you my son, so me no care if you Jesus.
Me a God and you my son, so me no care if you Jesus. Pussy, know that.
See a bag of little man a run around pan media. Me a God and you my son, so me no care if you Jesus. She no white boy out. I'm sorry for me alone for me pain, I'm a carry that. tell me about every gate and a chariot.
Bang on the shot with the prop.
Now tell me about every gate, brother. Now tell me about every gate, brother. And a chariot.
God killer. Bang on the shot with the prop, man. Tell you that. Crazy.
Yo, hear me I say, bang on a shot video with props, me believe. Like me said earlier, I believe say you're not capping your rap. So hear me I say, me G. Jamaica _worse _gamer. I wait there. CT, yeah. See me Instagram there. Forward na the DM, bro, and say, yo, me J, me see what you do. Shot me a cash up, brother. You know? Anything at all, brother. If I'm fifth brother. If I'm fifth brother. Yeah. Let's get back to this though. Production team, big up your fucking self. And no foul no. Big up on yourself. Yeah, no prop. Yeah. That badness. Big up. A nightmare, man. Hear me I say that. Like me said earlier on, Skippa, I want them man that will just appear out of nowhere and just start and just start dominate, bro. Like him just start doing things. You see me? So therefore, when him say him don't need this, like the music, I believe him. Next thing, Andrew Wellness knows get mines. I mean, I was some shot, but Andrew Wellness, that was accurate. That was accurate. I like the line there. Big like Andrew knows. Fit you. Yeah, but hear me I say still. This time I'm gonna leave the honor still. Skipper, do the right thing, man. Just do the right thing, bro. And after you shot me a thing, brother, me not come by the media come load it up, brother. Me not tell nobody say, yo, Skipper send me a 5 bills or a 2 bills or whatever. You know what I mean? Or a 2 grand. Because chopper, that's nothing to the G. Meet out. Yeah, not bitch out. I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Peace!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rap corner.